Students, the next exciting little photo retouch tool that we have to use for the photo restoration is the content aware capabilities within Photoshop. For one is the patch tool, so that is located if you click and hold down. You have these hidden tools: spot healing, healing brush tool, patch tool, content aware move tool, and red eye tool. You can explore any one of those, but what we're going to focus on now is selecting an area of, make sure you're on your background layer, but selecting an area. For example, here I'm going to do just a tiny little area here, and then I'm going to hover over because I'd like to retouch all this little crease that I found. Looks like the photo was torn or folded. So if I hover within the selection, it shows me the patch, and it shows that I can move that to anywhere that I like. And then you can see if I do a deselect by doing Command or Control D, it has chosen, Photoshop kind of chooses and blends that area to where you point it to. So we're going to try that one more time. Just going to keep doing that. You can drag it up or down. You might want to do smaller areas at first. And of course, every photo is different. So, and when you're done, deselect, which is Command or Control D. This area, I'm going to do this. Do this area. Of course, do the best you can here. We are not pros yet. We are practicing. Oops. Do this last one here. I'm going to get it lined up just right. So you can see how amazing this can really be. The clone tool would not do us a favor. Let's get that a little bit here. There we go. So quick and easy, I've been able to retouch that fold right out of the picture. So I'm headed towards getting a very solid retouching for this old photo. Enjoy when you explore how to improve some of these areas of your photograph. I'll see you in the next video.